Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your coolest tech guy, and today I'm going to be going over how to add an alt account to your NBA 2K mobile. Now this is very complicated, so I don't mind if you scroll back and forth on the video, but I'm just going to let you know you might need to use more than one device. I know one way that might result in your normal 2K mobile account being erased, but maybe you don't have to take that risk. If you have two devices, I definitely know how to do it on iOS or Apple, but if you have Android or something else, that might be a little bit more complicated, but I think it's the same exact idea. So what you're going to want to do first, once you click in, is you're going to hit that little person right next to the gear in the top left corner. You're going to see I have connected to Game Center, Local Save, and Apple. I don't have Facebook. If you do have Facebook, I know it's really easy to do. I don't exactly know how because I don't have Facebook, but I know there's other NBA 2K mobile YouTubers that have already done that who have Facebook. So as you can see here, might take a little bit just to do. I know I'm having some network issues recently, but you can see there I have Beast and I have my normal account. And I actually have two accounts, one on my iPad and one on my iPhone. This is my normal, so Beast is on my iPhone because that's the most ready device I have available. So here's my iPad. You see I've connected to Game Center, and I actually have both of my accounts. You see I have Legit Baller and Beast. You can see Beast is connected via Apple and Legit Baller is Local Save. You can see that just on the right side of each name and the card's owned. So I know what you'd have to do with two devices is you'd have to download NBA 2K Mobile, clearly, and then just do a local save without connecting to Game Center or Apple. Just create a whole new account. That's what I did with Legit Baller. And then what I did after that was I actually connected to Game Center and then Apple. So then I have Legit Baller, which is my normal, and I also have Beats. And you can clearly just change accounts by going to that little person icon right next to the gear and the Facebook on the normal home screen before you even log in. So I think that's really helpful just to move around between accounts. So yeah, and so that's the first way. Now the second way that you can do this, if you only have one device, it's a little bit more complicated. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign out of Game Center and Apple. And what you're going to do is you're going to you could go on a different device and connect it to your Game Center, which would be a pain. Even if it's not your device, that'd be a little bit harder to do. But if you only have one device and you don't have another device that you can connect to, I think what you would do is you try to get rid of Game Center and Apple, and then what you would do is you would start Game Center over, and then just try to reset it. So basically you would need to sign out of your old account, which could result in it being lost. So I really wouldn't recommend doing this unless you really badly need an alt account. That's really the only thing I can tell you because it's very fuzzy around there. NBA 2K Mobile really doesn't want you doing that, but you know it's offerable to do. And basically from there, if you get rid of your old account, it could be still accessible if you sign into Game Center and then Apple again after making another local save account, which wouldn't really work out, I think. But maybe if your phone's backed up or your iPad or whatever you have that's an iOS device, you could still have that old data as long as you don't do a new backup right after you signed out of your account. So that's all I can tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Big shout out to Kyle for this video idea, and peace. One more thing I wanted to try out is on the comment section below. The first 3 people to comment will be featured in my next video. So all you have to do to enter is just comment below, maybe a video idea, or maybe just saying first, second, or third, whatever position you are in. And that's pretty much it. We'll be featured in the next video. So thanks a lot. I know I just reached 1,100 views on YouTube. I think maybe on Tuesday. So that's really helpful to me. Thanks a lot. And make sure to like the video if you want me to keep blowing up. I think one of my videos has almost 800 views. So I'm really happy about that. If you want to go check it out, just check out my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.